Welcome children in bio class. I am going to explain you adaptations in plant to reduce excessive transpiration. So many plants are growing in the dry climatic conditions. There is shortage of water. So they have some adaptations for preventing the transpiration, for checking the transpiration. So they have some permanent adaptation to curtail transpiration, for reducing the transpiration. In that, first factor is sunken stomata. The sunken stomata means stomata are present here, not on the surface but in the cavity. On the surface this cavity is present, and in that cavity the stoma are here. These are stomata, and it is covered by hairs. So stomata may not come direct in the contact of wind. Hairs are present, so direct rays of the sunlight also will not reach. So these types of adaptation will reduce the transpiration, curtail the rate of transpiration. Sunken stomata is found in nerium. So it is very important. Many times in the exam question has asked, name the plant in which sunken stomata are found. So your answer must be nerium or oleander. Next is fewer stomata. Fewer means number of stomata have been reduced. Less stomata are there. So for preventing the excessive transpiration, number of stomata are less. Third is narrow leaves. Children, if the plants have broad leaves, see, this leaf is broad. This is the broad leaves of the plant. So from this such types of leaves, there is the more transpiration. But the plant in which leaves has become narrow, like this. So transpiration is very less. So in many plants, leaves of the plants has become narrow. It will reduce the surface area. Narrow leaves are found in the nerium or oleander. Next is reduced exposed surface. So there is reduced exposed surface. Many plants are for reducing the rate of transpiration. They have folded leaves. Folded means their leaves are folded like this. So folded leaves have reduced exposed surface. Whole the surface of the leaves are not getting the sunlight. Therefore rate of transpiration has reduced. Next one is loss of leaves. In many plants, leaves reduce into spines, change into spines. You can see in the cactus plant. These are cactus plant. On the cactus plant you will see there is leaves are reduced into spines. These are the spines. And this structure is the stem that become flattened, thick, fleshy. So this is for reducing the transpiration. Next is leaves are covered by thick cuticle. You see there is upper surface, upper epidermis. On the surface of the upper epidermis, their thick layer of cuticle is present. So this thick layer of cuticle is for preventing transpiration, for reducing the transpiration. So children, I explained what are the adaptation in plant that help the plant in reducing the rate of transpiration, in reducing excessive transpiration.